Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn 8 very important question words in English. These words are used every day when we ask questions. We will learn each word with a simple example sentence along with its Malayalam equivalent. The 8 question words we are going to learn today are what, when, where, which, why, who, whom, and whose. So let's get started. What? എന്ത്? What are you doing now? നിങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? When? എപ്പോൾ? When will you come back home? നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോൾ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചു വരും? Where? എവിടെ? Where did you keep the keys? നിങ്ങൾ താക്കോൽ എവിടെയാണ് വെച്ചത്? Which? ഏത്? Which dress do you like most? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് വസ്ത്രമാണ് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടം? Why? എന്തുകൊണ്ട്? Why did you leave so early? നിങ്ങൾ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത്ര നേരത്തെ പോയത്? Who? ആര്? Who called you this morning? ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ നിങ്ങളെ വിളിച്ചത് ആര്? Whom? ആരെ? Whom did you invite to the party? നിങ്ങൾ ആരെയാണ് പാർട്ടിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിച്ചത്? Whose? ആരുടെ? Whose umbrella is this? ഇത് ആരുടെ കുടയാണ്? So, these are the 8 important question words we have learned today. What, when, where, which, why, who, whom, and whose. Try to make your own sentences using these question words. The more you practice, the more confidently you will be able to ask questions in English. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching my video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Bye.